Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariana and today I'm going to show you my nightly cleaning routine. I do it every night. My kids are here eating dinner, they're finishing up, and I find this easier cleaning during the nighttime than in the morning. My husband and I take turns cleaning, and he's upstairs playing with the kids, or sometimes I'm upstairs playing with the kids while he cleans. So basically, we just put the dishes away, we clean all the dishes, we put them on the dishwasher, and then clean what's left on the sink. And then I put all the leftovers away. I save the leftovers because it's for our lunch the next day for my kids and I. It's easy for me to just get it out of the fridge than to make something new every day for lunch. So then I clear everything off the counter, anything I used, I put it away and I clean it. After I put everything away and I clean the counter and clean all the crumbs. I'm so sorry about the background noise. I'm recording the voice over my video and my kids are here with me. So then of course I wash the sink and make sure there's no crumbs or any food left over. And after I have put the dishes in the dishwasher, then I turn it on and make sure to wash the dishes during nighttime. So in the morning, I can take them out from the dishwasher and put in the dirty dishes throughout the day that I use. That way, I don't have like a big sink full of dishes. And I put all my dogs away. I put them in their crates. That way they're not up during nighttime and like making a mess or not laying asleep. We just find it easier this way that they stay in their crates throughout the night and they're trained, so they're fine. So then I clean my kids' rooms and I put the toys away. I find it easier for them to not be around when I'm cleaning the room because they either want to start playing or they start crying, then putting their toys away, and it's just like a whole distraction. And it's easier when they're not around to see them cleaning up the toys. Maybe when they're older, I will start making them help me clean it up. But since I'm cleaning up for the night, I'm putting everything away. There's no more playtime, so I just clean up. And lastly, we put on our Roomba that cleans the floors, and that helps a lot. That way I don't have to sweep the floor. So that's a little bit of my cleaning routine during the nighttime, and then like the next day when I wake up, it's clean. I don't have to worry about cleaning my house, and I have time to do breakfast and then play with my kids and do art projects and go outside and give them all the time that they need. I don't have to clean anymore. Don't forget to subscribe and give my video a like. Thank you. Bye.